Okay, let's try to do another problem. Let's take a look at what we have. All right, let's see. All right, so it says there are 25 students in Mrs. Wang's first period algebra class. On Monday, 5 students were absent and the other 20 students took a test. The average grade for those students was 86. The day after the five students took the test, the class average was 88. So what was the average of those 5 students' grades, right? So really, so you have these students. You have the ones that took the test, the 20 students that took the test, and 5 students that were absent, right? So from that, the average of all that comes out to be 88, right? So what you can do is you can say, okay, so you have the 20 students who took the test, right? And their average was 86. So you can figure out the sum of all those numbers, right? The sum of those grades by just multiplying. Let's say, okay, say 20 times their average grade, right, would be 86, right? But then there were these students who were absent, right? So they took the test, right? So those 5 students, and then the thing is, we don't know. That's the thing we don't know, right? It says they took. It says what was the average of those 5 students, but we don't know. So I'll just say that that's unknown. I'll say that that's X, right? So it's kind of like you're taking the 20 times the average. The average grade for those 20 students is 86 plus 5 times that average that those students got. And you divide that by the total amount of students in the class, right? And then that's going to give you the complete class average, which was 88, right? So in order to figure out what those 5 students had to get on the exam, in order to make the class average 88, you're going to have to basically solve this equation, right? So what you can do is you can multiply, multiply both sides by 25. All right, of course, multiply. I'll just multiply by 25 on both sides, right? So 25 multiplied on both sides, so 25. Right, this cancels out. And let's take a look on a calculator to see what this is. 88 times 25, right? So let's take a look. 88 times 25, 88 times 25, 2,200. All right, let's get that in there. So it's 2,200. And then that's all equal to, well, let's see, okay, 20 times 86. Let's see what that is. Again, let's look at the calculator. 20 times 86. 20 times 86. You get 1720, right? Okay. And there. Okay, so you have 1720. Right? Plus 5x, right? And we need to solve this to find x, right? So minus 1720 on both sides. Minus 1720. Okay, this cancels out. Again, let's take a look at the calculator. Right. Okay, so 2,200 minus 1720. That equals 480. All right. So you get 480. bring down the 5x, right? 5x equals 480. And divide both sides by 5. All right, so 480 divided by 5. Let's see, okay. 480 divided by 5, 96, okay? So x equals 96. So that's what it would have to be. That's what those 5 students, the average grade would have to be 96 in order to make it so that the average for the class would be 88. So the answer is 96. Okay. Whoops. 96, D, 96. Okay, so we did this problem. We're done. Okay. We did it.